How about lemon vanilla ice? Rachel, look at that.
That looks like a carrot cake.
Yeah.
Why is it glittery?
That's a bunch of cream.
They burn it. They burn it. How about pie?
That's a Boston.
What is a salted caramel mac pop? I want it. I don't care
Chocolate. What? You want the salted caramel?
I just like anything. Bro, now there's Oreos.
Look at that.
There's Oreos. There's an
They
Oreo.
put glitter on those fruit. You see that?
Okay.
Don't have any more.
Alright, thank you.
Oh, I like
It's
that.
either
So
edible.
small for $4, $5.
Yeah, this stuff's expensive.
It could have been.
Oh.
It's
God.
$25 for that thing.
What is this?
Look at that, $40. $40 for
Oh, I was like,
I don't really like look like what did I do? Oreo aja, Oreo.
I like that one. Oh, this almond berry. Why does that one look like chicken?
yeah.
The donut is a bit dry, but look at that. Looks so juicy. Okay.
Look at it again.
Da, you want to try croissant?